Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ben AI here, and AI is everywhere. It's changing the game in ways we never thought possible. Today we're diving into the top 20 AI tools making waves in 2024. Whether you're into boosting productivity or unleashing creativity, we got you covered. From seasoned pros to curious beginners, this list has something for everyone. All right, let's get into it. First up, we've got ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's a conversational AI model that generates human-like text based on your input. Automating customer service with real-time responses, that's ChatGPT. Businesses use it for FAQs, 24/7 support, and personalizing user experiences. It's like a digital customer service rep that never sleeps. Content creators brainstorm ideas, generate scripts, and write articles with it, and it's only getting smarter. ChatGPT is revolutionizing our interaction with technology. Let's dive into AI-powered art with MidJourney. Type a description, and AI generates stunning images. Marketing teams love this. They create eye-catching visuals for campaigns. Artists explore new creative avenues, limitless possibilities. MidJourney is a game-changer for creatives. For all you serious creatives out there, Runway ML is your new best friend. It's a playground for pushing the boundaries of art and technology. Film studios use it for mind-blowing special effects. Filmmakers and creators elevate their content with it. Add AI magic to your videos or experiment with storytelling. It's like having a Hollywood-level VFX team at your fingertips. Let's talk about editing. Descript is changing the game for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone working with media. This AI-powered platform lets you edit media like a text document. Edit your audio by just editing the transcript. Descript transcribes, removes noise, and cuts filler words. It also handles video editing, streamlining your workflow. Writer's block got you down? Meet Jasper AI, your new AI writing companion. Generate high-quality content from blog posts to social media captions. Digital marketers use Jasper AI to create engaging content. Bloggers, students, and novelists overcome writer's block with Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a must-have for anyone who works with words. Ready to level up your video content? Synthesia lets you create professional-looking videos using AI-generated avatars. Businesses are using Synthesia to create engaging training videos, explainer videos, and personalized customer greetings. No need to hire actors or book studios. You can choose from a library of diverse avatars and have them speak your script in multiple languages. It's a game changer for creating high-quality video content on a budget. Notion AI supercharging your notes. If you're a fan of Notion, you're going to love this one. Notion AI takes your note-taking and organization to the next level. Imagine this, you're in a meeting, taking notes in Notion. Notion AI can automatically summarize those notes, highlight key takeaways, and generate action items for you. No more spending hours sifting through pages of notes. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to get the most out of Notion. DeepL breaking down language barriers. Need to translate something? Forget those clunky translation tools of the past. DeepL is your new go-to for accurate and natural-sounding translations. Businesses are using DeepL to translate websites, marketing materials, and legal documents. DeepL uses advanced neural networks to understand the context and nuances of language. It's breaking down language barriers one translation at a time. Grammarly, your AI writing coach. We've all been there. You're writing an important email or document and you're not quite sure if your grammar is on point. Grammarly goes beyond just catching typos and grammatical errors. It analyzes your writing style, suggests improvements, and helps you sound more confident and professional. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to write with clarity and confidence. Copy.ai conquering writer's block. Ever struggled to write compelling marketing copy? Copy.ai is here to help. This AI-powered tool generates high-converting copy for ads, websites, and product descriptions. E-commerce businesses are loving this. You can use it to write catchy ad copy, engaging social media posts, and compelling email subject lines. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your fingertips. Pictory turning long videos into short shareable clips. Attention all content creators. Pictory is about to change your video game. This AI-powered tool makes it easy to turn your long-form content into short, engaging video highlights. Automatically identify the best moments and create shareable clips for social media. It's a game changer for repurposing your content. Pictory handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating. Replit Ghostwriter, your AI coding buddy. Calling all developers. Replit Ghostwriter is here to supercharge your coding workflow. This AI-powered coding assistant provides real-time code suggestions, auto-completion and explanations for complex code snippets. Ghostwriter can analyze your code, suggest solutions, and even write entire functions for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Ghostwriter can help you write better code faster. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to level up their coding game. Want your website to rank higher on Google? SurferSEO takes the guesswork out of content optimization. This AI-powered SEO tool helps you create content that search engines and people love. SurferSEO analyzes top-ranking pages, providing insights into content length, keyword density, and more. Bloggers, content marketers, and businesses use it to boost visibility. If you're serious about SEO, SurferSEO is a must-have. Need a voiceover but don't have the budget for a professional voice actor? MurphAI has got you covered. This text-to-speech generator uses AI to create incredibly realistic voiceovers in minutes. Companies are using MurphAI for explainer videos, training materials, and podcasts. You can choose from a library of diverse voices and adjust the tone and pacing. MurphAI delivers studio-quality results without the studio price tag. It's a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality voiceovers on a budget. Want to turn your blog posts, articles, or social media updates into eye-catching videos? Lumen 5 makes it easy. This AI-powered platform transforms your text into engaging videos in minutes. Digital marketing agencies repurpose blog posts into video content and create social media videos that pop. Lumen 5 offers templates, stock footage, and music tracks. It's a game changer for content marketing. Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your time? Zapier automates your workday. It connects your favorite apps and automates workflows. Automatically add leads to your CRM, send welcome emails, and create tasks for your sales team. Small businesses, marketers, and professionals streamline operations. No more manual data entry or switching between apps. Work smarter, not harder. Zapier is your new best friend. Remember MidJourney? Well, meet its cousin, DALL. This AI model from OpenAI generates images from text descriptions, taking creativity to a new level. Designers, artists, and marketers are using DALL to create visuals that stand out. You can type in anything you can imagine and DALL will try to create it. DALL is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and art. Want to create personalized video messages that grab attention? Movio AI is the tool you've been waiting for. Create videos with virtual spokespeople who deliver your message with impact. Companies use Movio for onboarding, product demos, and marketing. Create high-quality videos without actors or studios. It's a game changer for personal video marketing. Need a website but don't know where to start? Durable makes it incredibly easy to launch a professional-looking website in minutes. This AI-powered website builder generates a complete website with images, copy, and contact forms. Small business owners, freelancers, and artists are using Durable to get online quickly. It's the easiest and fastest way to get your website up and running. And last, but not least, we have Claude, the conversational AI assistant from Anthropic. Claude is designed to be helpful, harmless, and unbiased, making it ideal for customer support or internal communication. It's like having a friendly AI assistant who's always happy to help. What sets Claude apart is its focus on safety and ethical considerations. Claude is a responsible choice for businesses that prioritize ethical AI. And there you have it, the top 20 trending AI tools of 2024. From writing assistants to video generators, these tools are changing the way we work, create, and interact with the world. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, there's a tool out there for you. The future is AI-powered, and it's more exciting than ever. Until next time, peace out.